Welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to fix it when Roblox detected a security threat. So a thing to keep in mind right now is when you get that Roblox detected a security threat error message, usually it comes from when you've downloaded an unofficial version of Roblox from like an APK website like APK Pure or something like that. You want to make sure that you uninstall that version of Roblox that's not the official version on your phone. Then you want to go to the Play Store and you want to type where it says search apps and games. You want to type in Roblox, and then you want to install Roblox from the official app store. Okay, then you won't get that error message. So install Roblox from the official app store and then you should be good to go. Now the next thing to keep in mind is if you're using any sort of modded version of Roblox, you'll get that error message instantly. So you also want to uninstall any modded versions of Roblox, and just keep in mind that you have to go the official route and go to the official Play Store, download Roblox, install it and play on Roblox like that. Okay, otherwise you're going to get that security measure. Now the next thing is if you have rooted your phone, you'll also get that I've detected a security threat error. You want to unroot your phone, reinstall Roblox, and then you'll be good to go. So if this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.